One of the newest Galaxy AI features on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is Creative Studio. It lets you create sticker sets, you can turn photos into designs, you can generate creative ideas with AI in just a few taps. So let's see how to use it. So first you can open Settings on your S26 and then go to Galaxy AI and then scroll down and enter Creative Studio and just turn it on from here. Now you can find Creative Studio in two ways. Either open the app drawer, look for it there, or you can just swipe open the Edge panel where you'll also find Creative Studio. Just go ahead and open it up. Right at the top, the first section is Marker Drawing Style. After that, you will see options like Create Sticker, Profile Card, Invitation, Wallpaper, etc. And down below at the bottom, you will see all your saved projects. Now let's start with Marker Drawing Style. When you open it, you'll see a few options. At the top, you can change the frame and the ratio of the image. And then you can start creating something in several different ways. You can draw using Doodle, you can add photos from your gallery, you can apply a style, and you can write an AI prompt or even a combination of all of them together. For example, if you tap on Doodle, draw something, literally anything on the screen, press Done, and then after that tap Generate. An AI-generated image based on your drawing will appear. So if you want to create something using a prompt, just tap on the AI prompt option. But first, you're going to make sure to delete the default prompt and then write your own one. And just tap Generate. The system will create art based on your prompt. You can also tap on Photos option, select images from your gallery, and then choose a style using the magic wand icon. After that, you can add a prompt to define your creation and just tap Generate. Once the image is generated, you can view your prompts, edit the prompt from here, and also generate more variations. So if you like the results, just tap on Download button to save it to your gallery. You can set it as a wallpaper. You can also share it anywhere you want. Now let's move on to the Create Sticker section. So when you open it, you will see the same kind of options in here again. So you can create a sticker using Doodle, Photos, Style, AI prompt, or a combination of all of them. Just create your image first and then tap on Generate Stickers. Now several sticker categories will appear. Just select the ones you like, and a sticker set will be created with different types of emotions. And if there is anything you don't want, just deselect them and then tap Save Sticker Set. These stickers can be saved to your gallery or even used as wallpapers. You can also add text, change colors, edit the sticker further with prompts. Now once saved, the stickers will also be available in Samsung Keyboard. So whenever you are chatting, the stickers will appear in the keyboard sticker section. Just tap on one and then send the relevant sticker to anyone. You can also explore the other categories like Profile Card, Create Invitation, Wallpaper, etc. and generate images from there as well. And finally, all the projects you created will appear at the bottom at the Creative Studio dashboard, so you can come back and edit or reuse them anytime. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.